बहुत सारे हैं. These are exceptionally well made and even well preserved temple styles. So Dravid style के there are some subdivisions. Again, detail में जरूरत नहीं है. Just letting you know. Kuta or a square shaped, Shala or Ayatasra, which is rectangular shape. Gajprishth or Vrittayat or elephant bag, which is elliptical. Vrit, which is circular, or Ashtasra, which is octagonal. Now these 5 terms, they come from Tamil, sometimes also Sanskrit as well. Now it must, if any one of you is from the southern part of India, you may have heard of the book named Tirukural, right? It is more like a fable or a collection of short stories. And if you actually go into the history, a lot of the stories are very similar to those of some of the books of Sanskrit. So again, there is a very old connection as to how the terminology came from, transferred from one language to another. A lot of people say that Tamil is the oldest known language. Maybe it is true, I don't know. But if you listen to Tamil, you will understand a lot of the words are very similar to some of the older style of Hindi or Sanskrit that we used to have. Right? So this last photograph gives you a comparison of the Northern and the Dravid style. ठीक? Shikhar has a curve. Shikhar is straight. Shikhar is called Vimana. Over here you have a Amlak, over which a Kalash is there. Amlak is more like a flat disc at the top made of stone. Over here it is a cupola or a capstone. It is generally octagonal. Garbhagriha, both mein, it is exactly along the axis going through the center of the Kalash. Here there is a terminology called axis munda, is just the axis of the center. Mandapa यहाँ पे क्या है? There are colonnade structure. A lot of the time there are no wall enclosing the mandapa. ठीक? And there is this plinth which is sometimes बहुत high होता है इसका. South Indian style में, since there are a lot of complexes, there is walls underneath, walls के ऊपर walls हैं. So the need for leveling is not the same. थोड़ा सा difference है उसमें. ठीक? So just to revise, 3 basic styles: Nagar style, Vesara style, and Dravid style. Nagar style is the North Indian style, heavily influenced by the Gupta period. Dravid style में इन्होंने कुछ changes कर दिए, जैसे कि शिखर which was curvilinear form straight हो गया, विमाना बन गया, it is called Vimana. Construction became stepped. ठीक? बाउंड्री वॉल्स आ गए, गोपुरम आ गया, एंड देन स्टैचूज ऑफ अनदर डेटीज या फिर नंदी और सम एनिमल्स एज वेल. दैट्स इट एज फार एज यू नीड टू नो एज फार एज इंडियन टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर गोज. आगे के हम जितने भी चीज़ें करेंगे, द डिस्कशन वी डू विल रिवॉल्व अराउंड 3 दी सब कैटेगरीज. राइट नाउ there was one topic, it is called Uru Shringa or Uru Shikhra, which has been mentioned in one of the previous year questions. So Uru Shikhra is basically, if you look at this temple, this is the Shikhar. Uru Shikhra is these small, you could say Shikhar as well, smaller in size. They may or may not have architectural purpose, as in strengthening के लिए ये use हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा, we are not sure. Some experts have claimed it is, some have said it is not. But again, it is a miniature copy of the main Shikhar. So the Shikhar has the Amlak and the Kalash, and the Uru Shringa will also be comprised of a mini Shikhar, and it will have its own Amlak and Kalash, and it is repeated on all directions, on all parts of the Shikhar. That is all you need to know as far as Uru Shringa is good. अब इसके जो बेसिक टेक्निकलिटीज़ हैं जो भी हैं, just go through this one, you will be able to understand. कुछ इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. Just अच्छा, there is a concept called self-similar architecture. Self-similar architecture is using, if you have heard the term fractals, right? So फ्रैक्टल इज एक छोटा सा एलिमेंट है विच इज रिपीटेड एट डिफरेंट स्केल्स. So maybe you can say this is the Indian version of the term fractal, and these are called self-similar patterns. If you go to YouTube, you might be able to find something on this topic, and I'm forgetting the name of there is a very famous author who has written on this. He has some YouTube videos. Just type self-similar patterns of Indian temples. You will be able to find the guy. Bald guy. Fair complexion, talks very slowly. ठीक है, so just end of this one.